Hey guys, what's up? Sorry, I didn't really eat that much today, so I'm starving. I didn't have too much time to get anything to eat today, so I'm literally just eating right now. Let me put this down. Alright. Ma, me, li, la. Okay, so apparently my therapist says that I need to, you know, commence a new hobby. And, you know, she gave me a lot of options. So, firstly, she said that I should take golf, and no. I said no immediately, because who does that? Number two, she said maybe I could do, she started suggesting other sports or other outdoor activities like bowling and skee ball. And, those seem kind of boring. So, and then she finally got to this, to hiking. She said, why don't you do some hiking, you could get like a breath of fresh air, explore a new environment. And I was like, okay, I guess. I mean, it seems like the least worst of all the things that you mentioned. So I was like, okay, why not? I'll give it a try. Because I always give things a try. If I hate it, I hate it, and I will clearly say that I hate it. In preparation for this, I decided to get all, important items that I'm going to need tomorrow. Because I'm going full survivalist mode. So, got my bag here. This bag is probably the best bag I could, use right now for this trip. And I'm gonna fill that bag with all the necessities. So this is what I packed so far. Alright, so first off, I'm gonna need my keys, obviously, because I need to travel to this place. I'm not gonna take public transport because, I've had a lot of very bad experiences on public transport. So, screw that. Next thing I have is my wallet because, I kind of need it. It has my license and everything. And I have like a few $100s in here too, which is, usually I carry more, but for this trip I feel like about $300 to $400 should be fine. I've encountered that situation a lot where I needed that $300 to $400 and I just didn't have it. I only had like $200, but it's always good to have money on you. Let's just hope that you don't get mugged. I've been mugged a few times. Matches. I feel like matches are really important. In case you get lost, you could start a fire. Find something to eat, whether it may be like a squirrel or something. I would recommend the 250. Don't like cheap out and get like the small one. It's totally worth the value. Next, I got a knife. This is no ordinary knife. This is my survivalist knife. So I've had quite a history with this. It's been passed down from generation to generation. Every time a Lopez has encountered a very dangerous situation, they always had this knife with them. So of course I'm going to bring it with me because you never know if I need to cut some rope or something. This is like my switch. It's going to get kind of boring walking around, hiking a bit. So I am going to get bored. So I decided to I'm going to entertain myself while I'm walking because what else am I going to do? I'm also going to need my laptop too because I got a lot of work to do. I got a lot of stuff that I have to do. So and also I do kind of want to watch like some TV shows or something if I get bored. I'll see if I can connect to like a Wi-Fi network when I'm over there. And then next I got some deodorant and some cologne because you never know who you're gonna encounter in the woods. So it's best to be prepared, smelling nice, not smelling sweaty. So yes, definitely gonna need this. obviously gonna pack more stuff tomorrow. I feel like I have all my basics like kind of covered. I know I'm definitely gonna need to, pack up my phone charger, because I'm probably gonna, run out of battery really quickly when I'm in the woods. I have a couple boxes of 24 packs of water, so I might be going through one box, but two boxes is, I feel like, just to be safe, that I'm gonna need that. So I'm probably just gonna go through one, but you can never be too safe, right? Final thoughts before this, like I really hope that nothing goes wrong. Hopefully I don't get lost, but I feel like I should be fine. If you guys believe in me, I feel like that should be enough, right? So I'm gonna head to bed, and tomorrow morning I shall embark on this journey. Life is an adventure, right? Life is like a pirate ship. You don't know where you're gonna end up. So let's do this.
Warning. The following content may cause mild annoyance or sympathetic tendencies due to the high volume of complaining and heavy breathing. Other actions displayed should not be replicated. Viewer discretion is advised.
Alright, it's... Oh my god. It's 7:07 a.m. right now. So I was told that I have to wake up very early, for hiking, because that's apparently the time you're supposed to wake up. So yeah, this sucks. All right, so we just made it to the site here. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of have some second thoughts about this place, but I'm already here and I already wasted the gas to get here, so I might as well just check it out, right? So, all right, let's go, I guess. So, this looks like the beginning of the trail. Let's do this. I'm ready. Alright, well, I think it's time for a break. I decided to stop by and get something nutritious, something that will give me energy, because I really need it. So, I got bacon, egg, and cheese. Oh yeah, and it has a hash brown too, so it's got extra carbs. It's got the protein because of the bacon. So it should give me energy for the next few hours. So, God, I really hope it's not a few hours. So I just finished, I literally just destroyed my bacon, egg, and cheese right now. And I gotta say that I'm thoroughly convinced that instead of blood running through New Yorkers' like bloodstream, it's like bacon grease. Because like bacon, egg, and cheese is such a staple, you know? No wonder we have a shorter lifespan than most other states. This trail isn't too bad, but right now I feel like I might retract that statement in a bit, because I'm just in the beginning of the trail right now. But so far, it's a little bit leisurely right now. So let's keep it that way, all right, Mother Nature? All right, so can you guys guess what time of year it is right now at time of recording? I will give you one clue. Can you guess? Okay, the correct answer is fall. We're in fall, guys. It is a beautiful time of year. If you didn't guess fall, then I really don't know what to do with you. I don't know why you guys are watching me, but you get a gold star if you did. You get a gold star. I may have taken a wrong turn here because this is kind of blocked off and I don't see a marker anymore. So, damn. Where did I take that wrong turn? Okay. Let's go back. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back now. I have managed to find my way back to the trail. I am a true survivor, guys. You really think that I would get lost? Nah. I always make it work. Oh, sweet. Look at what I found. I guess they're doing some construction around here. I think there's like keys in there. Let's check. Shoot. No, it doesn't appear there's any keys in there. Damn it. Pretty cool though. Oop, look, there's another one. This one's cooler too, actually. I've always wanted to drive one of these. Let's see. No, it doesn't appear so. Damn it. Are you ready to see some parkour? Mando's gonna do this. Let's go. Okay. No more. I'm done. It says, cuidado, cuidado, caution, caution. Well, you weren't cautious enough for us. Minnow ain't afraid nothing, sucker. Lightning fast, boy. Bruh, nobody said I had to be hiking this, bruh. This is a little bit of a steep hill. Killing me, boy. Okay, let's do this. I made it. Okay, so I'm quietly talking because there are people camping. I see a lot of tents. So I'm gonna quietly pass through. Hopefully I don't get recognized because it's the last thing I need right now. I don't want anyone to know that I went on a hike today. It's kind of weird. Okay, so, okay. Afternoon, guys. I gotta say though, what kind of psychopaths wake up this early to do any type of activity, whether it be physical or whatever. Camping, hiking, running, I don't know. I don't know how y'all do it. My day doesn't start till 1 p.m., dude. This is such a shock to me. Looks like I stumbled on another construction site. Danger. Construction area. Keep out. Yeah, I came across this bucket, which seems like a bucket filled with recyclables. So good on you guys for recycling. I'm proud of you guys. I have spotted a couple of bottled waters here. Not gonna lie, I'm pretty thirsty, so. Oh, so good. I appreciate it. Please be keys, please be keys, please be keys. Let's go. No, damn it, no keys. Alright, so I just came across this interesting device. It seems like a metallic box that's connected by tube that leads into this river pond thingy. So I don't know if this is pumping, like, I don't know, food for like the fishies in the pond, or if they're just pumping like I don't know, Powerade into the, who knows, like what can be pumped into this. But the significance of this machine doesn't really interest me as much as the markings here. As you can see here, somebody drew an A in a circle with a line going across. I'm not really familiar with this symbol. I don't know if that's just like somebody's initials, like Arnold Schwarzenegger, or it's like the emblem for Assassin's Creed, or if it's like a little bit more nefarious and it's like the Illuminati symbol. I have no idea. If somebody knows what this is, please tell me. I'm very intrigued. And then this thing is a little bit more interesting than the A. So as you can see, this is Power Prime Pumps, but somebody crossed out the O and W and the R and wrote NIS at the end. So if you pronounce it now, it'd be P-E-NIS. Prime Pumps. Nice. Whoever did this is a legend. Give that man a medal, man. Alright. Perfect. So this is the first map. Let's see how far I hiked so far. So that says NS over there. Use that as a reference. So that's where we started, and NS is right there. So you're telling me I only hiked this much, and the whole trail I'm on is like this? This is rough, man. It's like not even like a fourth of the way, dude. This sucks, man. Area reserved, permit holders only. So it seems like I stumbled upon like a campsite, which is pretty dope. I'm not gonna lie. Bro, I could totally make some like enchiladas or something on here, bro. That'd be pretty awesome. It's really peaceful here, I'm not gonna lie. I just fell asleep accidentally. I don't know how long I was out. An hour apparently. Jeez, that's pretty bad. I should really get going before it turns sundown. Okay. I'm starting to think that what I ate was a mistake. I think it was the hash brown. Oh, should have gotten the hash brown. I'm dying. Okay, I found this porta potty. It's for permit holders only, but you already know what's gonna happen next. I really have to go. Oh boy. Oh god. So, according to my phone, we are basically towards the end of the whole entire looping trail. Even though this was a very exhausting thing to do, even though I kind of did this mostly because my therapist said so. You know, my therapist said do at least 30 minutes of walking or something, or hiking. And I'm a bit of an overachiever, so I've been hiking for a few hours now, so hopefully I gain some brownie points with my therapist. But anyways, I mean, just now looking at this view, wow, it's breathtaking. It really kind of makes it worth it. All the suffering I had to endure to get to this point. But anyways, I guess I'm gonna stay here for a little bit more, and then I'm gonna head back. It's been a journey. Well, peace out, guys.